Yogi, come on.
Is it okay? All right,
Go sit down.
Greetings everyone. Today's pose is Bala, Parsva, Bhuja, Dandasana, or Baby Grasshopper Pose. And the reason I really love this pose is it's a more accessible arm balance for those of you who are ready to start explore arm balancing, which can be a little threatening for a lot of folks. And this one you're very close to the ground, which hopefully takes some of that fear out of the pose. It does, however, require strength, balance, and flexibility with a bit of a twist. So let's explore it. Like I do with many of the poses, I deconstruct it in a way to meet a lot of people where they're at, depending on your strength, your balance, your flexibility. And so I work with mobility, then we work with strength, then your flexibility. So I'm going to give you step-by-step things you can work towards to work up to this pose. All right, so we're going to begin in Dandasana, or the staff pose. You'll extend your legs straight out. Make sure you have a nice firm seat. I like to spread a little flesh away from the sit bones. My feet are as if they're up against the wall in front of you. There's a light lift of the lower belly. Take your right leg and bend the right knee. Cross the right foot over the left. Bring your left hand behind you, reach the right arm up, take a nice big inhale as you lengthen the torso, and then exhale, bring your right arm inside the right leg. So you could stay here just lifting the chest and adding a little twist. Next step, you're gonna roll over to the left side, kind of this strip on the side of my pant. You're gonna roll right over. Now you're gonna step down on the right foot. Your left leg is now a little more open. And again, you can just press your right arm against the right knee, working here in an open twist. Next step, we're gonna add a little bit more flexibility. So scoop your shoulder in a little bit closer. Maybe you can grab your shin. Maybe you can grab your foot, or maybe you need a strap in between to help you grab. So you can always take a strap around the foot, hold on to the strap, and work here. That's your next step, finding some flexibility here. Now, once you can grab either your shin, your strap, or your foot, we're gonna work a little bit of mobility. So you're gonna work with your iliotibial band, the IT band. Again, the strip, it's running right here from the knee to the hip, and you're gonna lift up the leg, and you're gonna bring it down. So we're working this little bit of mobility to help increase your flexibility. Now pause, lift your chest. Now we're going to do the next step. A little more challenging because it's a little bit heavier. Press down on your left hand and now lift up your right hip, bring it down. Yeah, the hips are a little bit heavier, so it takes a little more effort. One more time, lift up the hip and bring it down. Very good. Now we're going to put this together. So you're going to bring your right hand in front as if you're going to do Chaturanga Dandasana, or that yogi push-up. You'll lift up the outer thigh, you'll plant your hand. Now here's where it gets a little bit tricky. Now you're gonna lift your hip as well. Then you're gonna come down into the Chaturanga, the push-up position. And then you'll slowly bring it back up, release, extend your legs back out, find neutral, lift your chest, take a breath, and then you'll switch sides. So you keep the right leg extended, you'll bend the left knee, and you'll repeat the same process. Make sure you do both sides so that you're balanced. And start with just the twist. And then add the mobility of your outer thigh, then the hip lifting up, then put it together. The thigh, the hip, and then come down into that push-up position. The good news, as I said, is you're very close to the ground, so hopefully it won't feel quite as threatening. Keep practicing. Yoga is a practice. It doesn't happen right away. I do these tutorials every single week, so please like, please subscribe, please pop me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, namaste.